Hello!
Welcome back.
We're gonna be riding the Surron today. Sarah got us a brand new battery. I'll insert the surprise.
What? What? Thank you.
And we got the suspension, so today we're gonna be testing out the new battery and suspension for you guys. It's gonna be a raw ride with the GoPro, and we're gonna have Mike, Phil, and Justin here. It's gonna be pretty sick.
All right, you guys, Phil's coming down the road. I'm gonna swerve in front of him, make him think twice about his life decisions. What up, Phil? You ready, dog?
Yeah, I thought we were about to go jousting.
I was ready, dude.
Just a second ago, I said, "Do you have a screw I can use for my GoPro?" He said, "No." Let me take a look real quick.
Here, bro.
Let me take a look. This
I
dude's
forgot it
a
was
filthy,
on here,
a filthy, disgusting liar, bro. Oh my gosh. And Mike was in on it too. I saw him hide it. All right, what is up, guys? We're out here on the Surron with the new wheels, new tires, new battery, new forks, new rear shock, a Phil that knows how to slow wheelies down. Holy crap, I haven't seen this yet. He's still got the posture of a... Phil got the dirt tires on that puppy, huh? Got the dirt tires. Oh, we doing a wheelie. Mike said I'm coming in hot. Anyways, man, I want to talk to you guys about the Fast Ace. All right, my experience with Fast Ace, stuff like that. So these are the Gen 2, version 2, whatever, 60-pound springs. In the back, I have the rear shock that they sell with a 600-pound spring. I'm kind of a bigger guy. I mean, I don't know, whatever. I'm kind of sexy. No, I wanted like a very heavy-duty setup. So me and CJ, my good friend, we do a lot of urban riding, and with a lot of urban riding, you're going to be landing flat. You're going to be hitting stairs and stuff like that. So I wanted something that could take all the abuse. And I'll insert some stuff in my last shocks that I had, last forks and rear shock, and you guys can see it's like bottom out after bottom out after bottom out after bottom out. Sick and tired of it. I spent the money. Yeah, I went ahead and got the Fast Ace everything. Dude, jumping on this thing now is like butter, man. It's like landing in cake. And I've done some pretty big flat lands. I think I've done probably a 4 or 5 foot gap to a flat, and I've cased and everything, and I've not had any problems. So got to pay a lot of respect to Fast Ace. I'm not sponsored by them. I get no money from them. I do have a code if you guys want to use KidBrap. I'll leave some words on the screen. You guys get 20% off, so make sure to do that if you guys are interested in ordering the forks. They are a hot commodity right now, and in my opinion, they feel better than the Pharaohs. The Pharaohs are $2,000 forks. These are, I think, after you use my code, I think you're only going to pay like $630, so it won't be bad, man. And I think the rear shock's like $150. Also, another change, man. I'm actually excited to do like a talking video. We put Supermoto wheels on Justin's bike. We did full-on Supermoto wheels, 17-inch front and back with some pretty thick tires. You guys can see it looks like a Supermoto now. It's pretty sick, dude. The bike looks amazing with that red and white. That was a big project for me. I'm proud of it. Spent a lot of time on it, put underglow and all that stuff. So pretty sick to get that done. And then now to my bike, back to my bike, we put a nice, super nice, brand new 72-volt battery in here, and at about 20 miles an hour, you guys can see I have no problem picking it up now. Yeah, the 72-volt battery is, dude, it is pissed off. This thing is mad all the time. This battery is insane. The big problem I'm having now is when I ride in sand and dirt, I overheat my motor. So that's something I've got to figure out pretty soon. If that means getting the new XLB60 or whatever it means, I don't know. But I want to stop overheating my battery or my controller. Oh my gosh, my motor. The dirt tires are sick, guys, but honestly, they're not good for wheelies. They're not as good as the other tires I had. I had those Harley tires on here, and they worked out pretty great, but these ones aren't as good, that's for sure. Mike's getting scary out here, bro. Oh my gosh. He getting off-roading. All right, I'm gonna keep it calm for the rest of the ride. All right, you guys, it's part portion of the video where I wheelie the Supermoto Ultra B skis. Challenge is we get 3 jumps each.
3 jumps each.
Whoever lands further out wins.
Okay.
You want to go first? Let's rock, paper, scissors for first.
All right, ready?
Who goes first?
You go first.
All right.
How do you feel about this?
I feel pretty good. It's a nice little jump.
You think
I like learning.
You think you're gonna win or what?
Hopefully I win. I mean, you know.
No, we need confidence. You think you're gonna win?
I mean, I'm gonna win. For
Yeah, exactly. Come on, dude. Come on, Rook. Oh,
Okay.
that was pretty nice. I can see it right there, the little twiggy moving around. Oh, that's the same.
Same?
Maybe he was an inch in front of him, but it was about the exact same. Oh, it's right there. I don't know if you can see. That's the exact same.
Really?
Yeah.
We're landing in the same spot, so right now it's do or die.
Do or die. All right.
We each get 1 jump left.
1 jump left.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
First.
No more sissy stuff.
No more sissy stuff.
Break your back when you land. Oh! Okay. He baited him. Y'all both went further, but Corey definitely won that one.
Let's
Yeah.
go. We didn't come here to take part. We came here to take over.
I don't know. He baited you or something.
Let's go.
Because he landed the same spot every single time, and then the one time he landed like 2 feet in front of it.
I just said, screw it, let's win.
That was
Whatever.
good, though.
All right, so the plan is to, I guess, go from there, hit the jump, around the fire hydrant, I guess back.
Mike's gonna flag us.
Yep.
Go.
Oh no.
That was a better turn.
That was much better.
And we have the winner.
Corey is a complete bully on the turn. That just goes to show what experience does right there.
Dude.
All right,
Literally a story
post-competition
from
interview. How do you feel about this win?
Turns out Phil's kind of a douche.
They all wonder what Phil looks like, but they'll never know.
Hey, face reveal at 3,000 million subscribers.
Subscribe and yeah.
Oh, that's a reminder. I need to go do that right now.
Wow, dude.
Gosh, bro.
All right, well, it's a little hot with a helmet on.
Yeah.
What do y'all think?
Yeah, let's move.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here,
was
dude.
fun.
All right, Mr. Phil, we're out of here. Have a good night.
Bro. Whoa.
Oh, dude. Listen, sometimes that happens. Like, you look so aesthetic right now. You know what I'm saying? You look, oh, dude, look at that thumbnail. Holy crap. All right, boys. See you, Mike.
Oh, yeah. So they've replaced them all for free.
Later, dude.
And turned around, there's like a big bird in my face. Like,
Dude, you know the secret. Ow! Later.